Hello, Monami.
Hello, teacher.
What a pretty woolen hat.
Yes, miss. My grandmother has made this.
Your grandmother knit this for you?
Yes, miss.
You're looking so cute.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome, Monami. Hello, children. Welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. And today we will learn about letter
W, as in my woolen hat.
So let's start. This is an uppercase W. What is this, Monami?
This is an uppercase W.
And this is a lowercase w. What is this, Monami?
This is a lowercase w.
As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter W is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, let us see the story of Willy the worm.
Willy the worm was looking out of her window and saw the cunning wolf wearing a woolen cap going towards the lake. Willy the worm knew that the wolf wanted to trouble the small minnow fish. Willy lived on the wet marshy land and remembered how once upon a time the minnows, her neighbors, had saved her family from the other fish in the water. It was now Willy's turn to help them. Willy prayed to her godmother, the butterfly, who waved her wand to make Willy's wish come true. She gave her one walnut waffle and one watermelon and told her to give it to the wise woodpecker and request for her help in the rescue mission. Willy obeyed her godmother and gave the walnut waffle and the watermelon to the wise woodpecker. The woodpecker, who lived in the willow tree near the river, loved to eat walnut waffles. She thanked Willy and happily agreed to help her. The wise woodpecker had a brilliant idea. She took the watermelon to the king walrus and entreated for his help to save the minnows. King Walrus loved to eat watermelon and he relished it with his friends and belched.
Wah, wah, wah.
As the wolf headed towards the lake, the woodpecker snatched his red woolen cap and flew in the direction of the rocky beach where the walruses lived. The wolf started running after her. The woodpecker dropped the cap in the herd of walruses and the wolf fell into the trap. King Walrus warned the wolf.
Don't trouble the minnows, or I will put you in the dark well.
The wolf started trembling with fear and pleaded in a shaky voice.
I am extremely sorry, Your Majesty. I promise that I will never, ever trouble the minnows. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
The kind king granted him pardon. Later, when minnows heard the news, they were grateful to Willy and the woodpecker. A stream of minnows swam by the side of the river to express their gratitude to the woodpecker and to Willy the worm.
Wah, Wah, wah.
Yes, that is the sound of letter W. Wah. So now let us sing about the sound of letter W. W is a consonant, it has a sound. W is a consonant, it has a sound.
W is a consonant, it has a sound. W is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the W sound wah, 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 wah.
Let us see the W sound wah, 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 wah.
Wah as in water, wah as in well, wah as in windmill.
Wah as in water, wah as in well, wah as in windmill.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
W is a consonant, it has a sound. W is a consonant, it has a sound.
W is a consonant, it has a sound. W is a consonant, it has a sound.
Let us say the W sound wah, 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 wah.
Let us see the W sound wah, 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 wah.
Wah as in window, wah as in watch, wah as in woolen cap.
Wah as in window, wah as in watch, wah as in woolen cap.
Isn't it fun?
It's good to learn.
So now let us revise. What is the sound of letter W?
Wah, wah as in watermelon, wah as in woolen cap, and wah as in waffle. Waffle, I love to eat waffle.
So in our next class, children, we will learn about letter X.
And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
See you in our next class, children. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.